Horses out, coming out into a perfect beginning. Hold that cat, down on the inside, Yellow Goose Cat. Then followed by Southbound, perfect timing. Coal Harbor about 5 wide. Then comes the Pete Hapon. Then followed by Babes Magic, Mr. Classmate, and Pag-asa is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Yellow Goose Cat, and on the outside is Coal Harbor. 2 lengths away in third, perfect timing, a length back in fourth. Hold that cat, racing in fifth, the Pete Hapon, Southbound, Pag-asa, third last. The second last, Babes Magic, and Mr. Classmate now racing in last. Coal Harbor by Oraling Ganehapa, and second is Yellow Goose Cat, and here comes perfect timing. Now trying to get closer in third, the Pete Hapon, Southbound. Coal Harbor still in front by Oraling Ganehapa. Yellow Goose Cat still in second, and here comes perfect timing. Now trying to get closer in third, and in fourth comes Southbound. Coal Harbor still in front by about 3 lengths, and in second still is Yellow Goose Cat. Perfect timing is Southbound now moving upon the outside, and as they come down at the last 150, we have Coal Harbor by about 3 lengths. Southbound now moving up to take second, Yellow Goose Cat. Perfect timing. Coal Harbor, Southbound now moving upon the outside to take the lead. It's now Southbound followed by Coal Harbor, and finally Southbound, Coal Harbor. Then comes Mr. Classmate, Pag-asa, perfect timing.